He was the author of Gitanjali, which is a compilation of 157 poems written by him. He won Nobel Prize in the year 1913 for Gitanjali. He is also the writer of our national anthem. This poem was originally composed in Bengali and later he translated it into English. He lived during the time when the Britishers ruled our country and people wanted freedom from them. In this poem, the poet is appealing to God to free India from all the social evils, caste system, and make a better place to live in. Let us now read the poem and understand what the poet is telling us. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. In this line, the poet wants a place wherein we can live freely without any fear from anyone. He says that we should live with dignity. पोएट कहते हैं कि हमें ऐसा देश चाहिए जहाँ पर हम सब अपना गर्व से सर उठाकर जी सके. Where knowledge is free. During the rule of the Britishers, the condition of India was very bad. We were slaves. Women were not allowed to go to school and educate themselves. He wanted that education should be free and accessible to all. अगर हम पढ़े लिखे होंगे तो ही हम सही गलत का फैसला ले सकेंगे. Where world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls. In this line, he says that our society was divided into small pieces based on caste, creed, religion. So he wanted that there should be no discrimination and everyone should be treated equally. सभी को एक समान रखना है और किसी में भी भेदभाव नहीं करनी है. Where words come out from the depth of truth. In this line, he says that he wanted a world wherein people should speak only truth from their heart and they should never lie. हमेशा सच के रास्ते पर चलना है. Where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection. He says that everyone should work hard to achieve their goals and work hard continuously by stretching your arms to make yourself better and achieve success. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way. He says that people were very narrow minded and superstitious. They believed in old customs, traditions, which were very harmful to us. Clear stream means clear flow of thoughts from the mind with broad outlook. Into the dreary desert sand of dead habits. He says that people should not be lost in old beliefs such as sati, wherein a woman loses her life, child marriage, female infanticide. All these traditions should be stopped and people should broaden their thoughts and actions. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and actions. People should be generous in their thoughts and think scientifically about all this. सही गलत देखें और खुद फैसला लें कि किसी के दबाव में आके फैसला नहीं लेना है. अच्छी और ऊंची सोच रखनी है. Into the heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. He addressed God as his father and asked him to awaken his country into a heaven of freedom where there is total freedom of good actions, good words, and good thoughts. I hope, children, you understood the poem. Please read it once, and I shall be sending you the appreciation of the poem. Kindly write it in your notebook. Thank you.